Okay, you guys, I made my sandwich and my breakfast sandwich. So if you guys wanna see how I made this, just keep watching this video and you will see how I make my breakfast sandwich. This breakfast sandwich is spam with egg, onion, and cheese, grilled onion. So let me show you. And again, like you said, and I put mustard on the bun, as you can see. Oh my goodness. That's my egg. That's the egg, grilled onion, cheese, and spam. See? See the spam? And again, if you want to see, again, like I said, if you want to see how I cook this, just keep watching this video. Oh, I messed up my cheese. That cheese was pretty. But anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family to show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any question. Thumb this video up. Subscribe if you don't mind. And this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. If you have any questions, thumb it up. I really appreciate it. And if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. Again, I really appreciate it. And how you guys come back and support my cooking channel. God bless. But anyway, again, if you want to see how I cook this, just make sure you guys keep watching this video and you will see how I cook my breakfast sandwich. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Okay. See, put my bun back on top. Like that. Oh, that's a good. And most people do this. You could do this on bagel as well, you know. But yeah, again, like I said, I hope you guys have if you're a mother, happy Mother's Day. And if you taking care or adopted children, you is a mother as well. And if you're a male and you taking care of your children, you got custody of your children. Again, happy Parents' Day. I don't want to say Mother's Day. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys one big bite, and then I'm gonna take mine. Sorry about that, you guys. I didn't know I was still taping. Okay. So there you guys go. You guys can get that first bite. Wow. So got it. Now take my bite. Okay. That's my bite. This is really good, you guys. And again, you don't really have to use spam. You could use bacon, ham, sausage, ham and cheese, turkey, whatever you desire on the meat part. All right. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Bye-bye. Look at that. Bye-bye. Hello you guys, and welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I'm trying something different for my breakfast. I haven't had this in a minute, but I do have this breakfast on my cooking channel as well. But it's something, maybe a little something different. But this right here is the spam that I'm gonna. This is the main meat on my sandwich, my breakfast sandwich. It's the spam. I already got it open and cut up, slices. I'm gonna use 1 slice of onion. This is the kind of cheese I'm using, you guys. This is the bun I'm using. I know these is the big buns. Usually I get the medium, but I use the same kind of bun right here. Yeah. And also mustard is gonna be uh, the dressing. Also got my coffee on deck and this mud. All right, so this gonna be really quick and easy. Watch in the next clip. Okay. Oops, you guys, I forgot I'm gonna fry me an egg. So really this is gonna be a spam egg breakfast sandwich. I forgot to show you guys the egg in this video. And I already sliced up my onion. And that's the cheese. And my bun. And that's the mustard. Yeah, I just forgot to add the egg, okay? Okay, so I'm going to brown my spam. And this is what I sprayed my pan with. Okay. And it shouldn't take no maybe about 30 seconds each side. So I went on ahead and flipped it over. That's how I need it, just lightly brown. Okay, so my spam is ready. Now I'm going to toast my bun with the butter. Okay. See, like that. Look. See? Okay, now I'm going to toast my bottom. And that's the top I just took out. Okay, so there my bottom. Now I'm going to go ahead and saute this onion a little bit. Put 2 slices of butter to saute my eggs. Okay, so I put my onion in. Okay, I went ahead and flipped it. And this is how I'm just sauteing now. I don't want to just saute it real hard. Okay, that's brown enough, you guys. Okay. Okay, you guys, so this is how I'm doing my cheese to keep it warm on top of my spam, you know, so that way the bread be still toasted real good. Okay, so now you're gonna put on top of the cheese. Okay, you guys, this is just keep the onions and the cheese nice and warm when I make my sandwich. And this is the yellow mustard that I'm gonna spread on my bun. Okay, this is only keep it warm. Okay, now I'm just do my eggs. Got my butter melted. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the season that you see on these eggs. Okay, that's the only season that I use on my eggs. Okay, you guys, so I flipped it. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little black pepper. That's it. Okay. Okay, so you guys, I did flip it again. This is how it looked. And I'm gonna take it out that heat. Now I'm gonna build my breakfast sandwich. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna build my sandwich, but I'm just showing you when I eat the sandwich. You're just gonna see me when I eat it. And I'm gonna spread the mustard over my bread. This is the spam with cheese and onion. And also this is the egg. So this is what you will see when I eat my sandwich. But anyway, Like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any questions, thumb this video up. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment, subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. God bless. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. But that being said, you guys have a blessed weekend and happy Mother's Day weekend this Sunday. Yes. Happy Mother's Day Sunday. Okay. And this is a good idea. Say you don't want whoever cook for you, just say if you just want to make your mother a breakfast sandwich, this is a kind of good idea. Now, if you don't like Spam, you can always use regular ham, turkey, sausage, bacon, so you don't really have to use this. Okay? I'm just showing you a good idea for a breakfast sandwich. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. And again, happy Mother's Day. Alrighty. Yep, happy Mother's Day Sunday 2024. Yes. Yep, Mother's Day is May the 12th, 2024. Alright, bye-bye. See you guys in the next upload video. Bye-bye.
That's the kind of thing that keeps me calm.